afternoon, Jelpin.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jelpin Mawado.
Louder your voice, please.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jelpin Mawado. I am 35 years old. I was born last August 14, 1977. I presently residing at Makati. I am undergraduate with Bachelor of Elementary Education.
You have a domestic helper experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
I work as a helper in Makati, ma'am, for 3 years.
What is your main duty in your employer's house?
I do cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes. Sometimes I clean the car of my employer.
How many times do you cook?
3 times a day.
What time do you wake up in the morning and what time do you sleep at night?
I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. Then I cook the breakfast for the family.
3 times a day you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
There are 2 children ages 4 and 8. Are they going to school already?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you the one who sent them to school?
Yes, ma'am.
And then who picked them up? You also?
I am. Yes, ma'am.
You also do tutoring?
Yes, ma'am.
Who do the marketing?
Yes, ma'am. I am the one.
You're the one. In Hong Kong, they will provide you a once a week day off.
Yes, ma'am.
But if it's not on weekend, but instead on weekdays, is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends or relatives to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
6 members in the family is no good. But 5 members, okay.
Okay.
Any food you do not eat?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Any allergy to any kind of food, drugs, or detergent?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
TV, iron, washing machine. Yes.
what about floor polisher, microwave ovens?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn.
Any message for your employer in Hong Kong?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am very much willing to work in your family. I am a good helper and I am promised to work with you. I am promised to finish my contract.
Thank you, Jelpin. Good day.